Hey, are you the kind of person who loves to figure out how things work? Maybe you're the one in your family who takes apart the TV remote just to see what's inside. Or you're always fixing your bike, building stuff with Lego, tinkering with gadgets. If that sounds like you, I've got some awesome news. Those skills you're learning in school right now, they could launch you into some of the coolest careers of the future, especially in advanced manufacturing and engineering. Let's break it down. First, there's engineering. Imagine designing rockets, robots, bridges, or even the next generation of video game consoles. Mechanical engineers work on machines and engines. Electrical engineers play with circuits and energy. Civil engineers design the roads and buildings we use every day. There are also biomedical engineers creating life-saving devices, and environmental engineers making sure our planet stays healthy. And if you're into planes, drones, or spacecraft, hello, aerospace engineering. But maybe you're more about building and making things with your hands. That's where advanced manufacturing comes in. Today's factories aren't just about assembly lines. They're high-tech, clean, and full of robots, 3D printers, and computer-controlled machines. You could be a CNC machinist, programming machines to carve out parts with laser precision, or a welding technician, joining metal with sparks and skill. There are even jobs like mechatronics technician, where you combine mechanics, electronics, and computers to keep everything running smoothly. And if you're dreaming even bigger, there are careers in cutting-edge fields like nanotechnology, working with materials so tiny you need a microscope just to see them. Or maybe you'll become an AI engineer, programming smart systems that make factories run themselves. So how do you get there? It all starts with the basics: math, reading blueprints, using computers, and most important, knowing how to stay safe around tools and machines. These are the skills you're building right now in school. As you keep learning, you can pick up more advanced skills, like programming robots, 3D modeling, or even running entire production lines. The best part? There's a clear path. Start with the basics, and you can land entry-level jobs like machine operator or assembler. Get some training, like in welding, CNC machining, or CAD design, and you can step up to technician roles. Go even further with more education or certifications, and you could lead teams as an engineer or manager, designing the future. So if you love to tinker, fix, build, or just figure things out, keep going. The skills you're learning now could take you anywhere, from building robots to saving the environment, designing spaceships, or inventing the next big thing. The future needs curious minds like yours. So, what will you build? Remember, the world is waiting for your ideas. Go build something amazing.